Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to remove someone from your lists in X. Managing your list in X allows you to curate your connections and tailor your experience. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of removing someone from your lists in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, locate the account you want to remove from your lists. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Tap on the account to access their profile. Step 3. Once you're on the account's profile, look for the 3 dots menu, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 dots menu to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on Add, Remove from List. This action will present you with a list of the lists you have created in X. Step 5. Select the list from which you want to remove the account. Once you've made your selection, X will remove the account from that specific list. And there you have it. You have successfully removed someone from your lists in X, allowing you to refine your connections and customize your content. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enhanced with a well-curated list of connections.